How much exercise do you really need for good health? Do you need to spend hours in the gym, or is a simple daily walk enough? The truth might surprise you. Most people think exercise means intense workouts, but real health comes from consistency, not exhaustion. According to health experts, the average adult needs at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. That's just about 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. And moderate exercise doesn't mean running or lifting heavy weights. It can be brisk walking, cycling, light jogging, dancing, or even active household work. The key is to move your body in a way that raises your heart rate and makes you breathe a little faster. If you're short on time, even 10-minute exercise sessions count. 3 short walks in a day can be just as effective as 1 long workout. What matters most is staying active regularly. Your body responds better to daily movement than to intense exercise done only once or twice a week. Strength training is also important. Just 2 days a week of basic strength exercises, like squats, push-ups, resistance bands, or light dumbbells, helps build muscle, protect your joints, and improve balance. Strong muscles support your bones, improve posture, and reduce the risk of injury as you age. For heart health, exercise improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease. For people managing blood sugar, even a simple walk after meals helps control glucose levels and improves insulin sensitivity. Exercise also boosts mood, reduces stress, improves sleep, and strengthens your immune system. The most important rule is this: choose an activity you enjoy. Walking, swimming, cycling, yoga, or dancing. If you enjoy it, you'll stick with it. Start small, stay consistent, and increase gradually. You don't need perfection, you need progress. So remember, good health doesn't require extreme workouts. Just move your body daily, stay active, and make exercise a regular part of your life. Your future self will thank you.